Once you're registered as a facility, log in, and under your account information in the upper right, look for the switch button. Here you can change your view from candidate to facility. Now that you're in your facility view, let's add a user. Head over to Add New User. Add in their email address and select a role for the user. Make sure you hit Enter, otherwise it won't save. Once you have an email and role ready, click on Add Facility User. The new user will now be listed in your facility account. From here, you can change a user's role. You can also remove a user entirely. From your facility page, you can manage your facility's information. From Facility Portal, select Manage Information. Here you can view and update all of your details. Just click Edit, make whatever changes you need, and then press Update to save. If you need to manage facility user roles, you can do that in the Facility Portal as well. Let's say someone is leaving and you need to transfer their responsibilities. Simply find that user, change their role, and assign facility admin to whoever is taking over.